Hi there, I'm VNO and this is my 12th video tutorial on D3. My original plan for this video was to show you how to create a donut chart such as this one, but I realized that in order to explain how to do this, I first have to explain how to create a basic arc in D3. And an arc is, if you didn't already know that, in simplified terms, just a part of a circle. So each of these elements here are arcs. And the way we create arcs in D3 is just as we looked at in the previous video. We are creating them using paths, but we are using a built-in path generator that D3 provides us with. So unlike in the previous video, we don't use the line path generator. We will be using a new path generator called, well, an arc path generator, and that looks like this: d3.svg.arc. And well, first of all, let's append a path to our group element. We won't be doing any data binding in this video, so we'll the D attribute will be refers to the path generator, and the path generator for arcs has 4 accessor functions that we need to specify, and that is the inner radius, the outer radius, the start angle, and the end angle. So perhaps it's self-explanatory, but the inner radius is the radius, I mean the distance from the center to this line here, and the outer radius is the distance to the outer line here, and the start angle is obviously where the arc is started, and the end angle is the end of the arc. So let's begin by and I should also say that the angles are not measured in degrees as you may be used to. I guess you know that a full circle is equivalent to 360 degrees. In D3 we measure the angles using radians, which is a different unit, and a radian is I think this picture from Wikipedia explains it well. Whenever this distance b is equivalent to the radius, we have 1 radian. So this is 1 radian, and a full circle is 6.28 radians. I think at least it's, well, let's set up some variables here. So we have a radius. Let's say our arc has a radius of 100, and the perimeter, the full distance around our circle, can actually be computed. I mean the number of radians can be computed by pi times 2. So I think that's 6.28. So first of all, let's say our outer radius will be 100, and the inner radius will be 100 minus 20, so 80. The start angle begins at 0, and let's say we want a full circle, so we'll use our variable p here, which is equivalent to 6.28 radians, so a full circle. I think this should create a circle. Let's find out. Yeah, okay, so we have our circle here. So what would happen if we set the end angle to p minus 1? So we remove 1 radian. Let's save and refresh, and as you can see, we have 1 radian missing. And if we, yeah, I guess the point is clear. So anyways, that's how you create an arc in D3. And we need this knowledge before we can get into the funny donut chart layout. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.